How does Webull make money? Webull, a popular commission-free trading platform, generates revenue through several channels despite offering free trades to users. Here are the primary ways Webull makes money. 1. Payment for order flow, PFOF. Webull receives payments from market makers for directing orders to them. When a user places a trade, Webull routes the order to a specific market maker who pays Webull for this order flow. This practice is common among many brokerage firms that offer commission-free trading. 2. Interest on uninvested cash. Webull earns interest on the uninvested cash held in users' accounts. This is similar to how banks make money from deposits by lending out the funds or investing them. 3. Margin lending. Webull charges interest on borrowed funds for margin trading. When users trade on margin, they are borrowing money from Webull to purchase securities, and Webull charges interest on these loans. 4. Securities lending. Webull can lend out securities held in users' accounts to other financial institutions, such as hedge funds, for short selling. In return, Webull earns interest on these loans. 5. Premium services and subscriptions. Webull offers various premium services and subscription packages that come with additional features, such as advanced market data, analytics tools, and extended trading hours. Users pay a fee for these enhanced services. 6. In-app advertising and partnerships. Webull may generate revenue through advertising and partnerships, where third parties pay to promote their products or services within the Webull platform. By leveraging these revenue streams, Webull can provide commission-free trading while maintaining a profitable business model.